Hey there, developers. Are you tired of burning cash on hosting your awesome projects? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today, we're diving into the best way to deploy your React app absolutely free. Imagine having the power of Vercel but without the price tag. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to introduce you to Dokploy, the game-changing, open-source alternative that's going to revolutionize how you host any type of app. Dokploy is a powerhouse that combines the simplicity of Vercel with the flexibility of running your own VPS. Whether you're working with nextjs or any other framework, Dokploy has got you covered. Like in Vercel, you just need to push your developed app on GitHub. It will automatically deploy on your VPS. The mind-blowing feature is you can host your front-end, back-end, and databases on the same server without paying for different services. It also handles load balancing, redirection, SSL certificates, and enhanced security for you. Now, let's get hands-on and show you exactly how to deploy the React app using Dokploy. Trust me, it's so easy that you'll wonder why you ever considered other options. Step 1. Setting up your VPS and installing Dokploy. First things first, we need a place for Dokploy to call home. Grab a VPS from any provider you prefer. Make sure you've got at least 2 GB of RAM and 30 GB of disk space to keep things running smoothly. Ready for the easiest installation ever? Type this command to get root access. Then just run this command. Boom! Dokploy is now installing itself and all its dependencies. It's like magic, but better. It's open source magic. Step 2. Configuring Dokploy. Once the installation is complete, open your browser and go to this URL at the end of the installation. When you visit for the first time, you can create your admin account. After that, you will automatically be redirected to the dashboard where you can deploy your apps and databases. Before we start deploying, let's go to the settings section. Here you can add a domain for the server, but this is optional. Make sure that you point out the domain name with an A record before setting up the domain. The important thing is to connect your GitHub account to the Dokploy. Click the Create GitHub App button. You will be redirected to GitHub. Just log in with your GitHub account credentials. You have to create a GitHub app to connect your repositories with Dokploy. Alright, now click on the Install GitHub App button, and you will be redirected again to authentication. Okay, now we are done with the GitHub connection. Let's go to the next step. Step 3. Deploying your React app. Now for the moment you've been waiting for how to host the React app with Dokploy. It's as simple as connecting your GitHub repository, selecting your branch, and hitting deploy. Dokploy takes care of the rest, from building your app to serving it to the world. Before we start, consider subscribing to our channel, so we can create more tutorials for completely free for you. Head over to the projects section and create a new project. Inside your created project, you can deploy applications, databases, and Docker composes. We are going to create an application here. Go to the application, select your GitHub repository, then save it. After that, you just have to click the deploy button. It will automatically compile your app and deploy. Great, now your application is up and running. To access your application, you need to add a domain name. Navigate to the domain section. Here you can add your own custom domain or just generate a domain. Ensure you have pointed out the domain to the IP address of your VPS with an A record. Just add your domain and the port your application running on. If you want an SSL certificate, you can select it here. You can use Let's Encrypt and turn on HTTPS toggle. Okay, now you are ready to go. Check your application. Now it is deployed successfully and running smoothly on isolated environments. You can check the app log and monitor server resources on this application. Also, you can set up redirections, security rules, and control opening ports for your application. If you need persistent volume, you can create it here. You can turn on auto deploy, so it is redeploying every time you update the GitHub repository, just like in Vercel, but at no excessive cost. We've just unlocked the secret to deploying your React app like a pro, without spending a dime. Dokploy offers all the features you love from platforms like Vercel, Netlify, or even Cloudflare pages, but with the added flexibility of running on your own server. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing dev tips, and let me know in the comments how Dokploy works out for you. Until next time, happy coding and even happier deploying.